because along with me you will write the code. Okay. So come down, come down, come down. Okay. So everybody, yesterday we talked. Let me just today add today's date first, right? Today's date is nothing but 3rd of sorry, not September, October. Okay, everybody. So again, yesterday we talked about, right, list, right? We talked about tuple. Okay, two data structures we talked about. Okay, and we know that each and every data structure has its own functionality. Okay, I'm going to create a list over here. Okay, I'm going to say how many data structure use in Python. Can you just tell me? Yes, Rajpal, the data structure we talked about yesterday, now 4 and 5, they are only useful. The rest are not useful for us being a data analyst or data scientist. Okay. Okay.
Sir, I am new here and I did not understand what is the Python and all, but I'm little bit something about what is integers, what is how many types of data.
Mm-hmm.
This type of language is new for me.
Okay. Okay. So have you joined the previous session?
Uh, I see your previous videos
Huh?
and I have some idea about that
Uh-huh.
Python.
The previous recording you have seen, you said, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Then
but
which
how
what is
to?
not clear? Uh-huh.
I'm not opening the Google Colab in my laptop, so
You're
please.
unable to open, you said,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do one thing. Let me just summarize it quickly what we did yesterday. Then you can share your screen. We'll help you out on this. Okay.
One more
If
question about related this I have added.
Yes.
I will add it.
Yes.
So, मैं भी मोबाइल में कर रहा हूँ गूगल
Uh,
कोलैब बट
uh,
पहले भी ट्राई किया था मैंने बट
uh,
जो जैसा आप जो जैसा टाइप करते हो ना
uh-huh.
हाँ वो वहाँ पे जाने के लिए जो पाथ है वो एक्चुअली मैं बार बार वो थोड़ा ये हो जाता हूँ तो वो भी
Okay.
क्लियर कर दीजिए लैपटॉप
No
के साथ
worries.
साथ
No worries. Okay. You can share
थैंक
your
यू
screen. Then we will discuss. But right now, let's do one thing. As I mentioned, let's just summarize quickly what we did yesterday. So yesterday we talked about two data structure, list and tuple. We know that how to create a list. L is equal to like this, 1 2 3 4 5, like this. We know that each and every data structure has its own functionality. So I can use L dot append function. Append by default add the value at last. I'm writing 50. So what it will show me, let's see. I'll print SL over here. So it will give me 50, right? At last it added the value, right? But yesterday we did not talk about extend function. Now come here. We talked about append. The similar function we have L dot extend. But before coming to the extend, suppose not suppose in append function we usually add a value, one single value like 1 2 3 4. 50 have added a value. Yes, sir. Fine. This is understood. But suppose my requirement is to add a multiple values within the list. So can I add with the help of append? So I use this. We know that if I want to store multiple value or append multiple values somewhere, I need a data structure. I'll use this one to not one, let's say 10, 20, 30 like this. Okay. If I use this L dot append working, let's print again L. See, it's showing me, see, can you see this? It is appending a value at last, but along with this bracket. Okay, along with this bracket. Okay, sir, fine. That means with the help of append function, I can add a value with this bracket. That means using a list because multiple values I want to add, na, so I need any container. Okay, understood. But there is a function extend. So what is the difference? Yeah, extend is nothing but similar. It's append. Yeah, it is same as an append. Then what is the difference? I'll show you. I'll show you like this. L dot extend function. I will add a multiple value like a 10, comma 20, comma 30 like this. If I run this, what will be the output? See that. Can you see this? 10, 20, 30 is being added, but without bracket. Can you see this? So extend means nothing, but you can add a value, you can add multiple value at the same time, but it will not take this bracket. So it will remove that bracket automatically and add the value. Getting my point, guys? Who was asking this, right? And we talked about yesterday tuple also, right? Tuple is nothing but how to represent. Just write tuple or this simple bracket. Everybody understood?
Yes.
What about others?
Yes, understood.
Okay. Okay. Now let's move ahead.
Just show one of insert means if I wanted to add something at the specified location, how
Okay.
can we?
Okay. Okay. So on that day, not that day means like yesterday we talked about this is my L, right? So L do what? L do nothing. And this is my list over here, right? Yeah. Just give me a sec, guys. Okay. Okay. So I said this is my list. So you said insert. Insert means nothing but I can insert the value in between, right? Before inserting the value, we need a indexing. We need to understand indexing. We talked about yesterday indexing. So one is nothing but zeroth index value, right? Okay, so understood. This is something we talked about yesterday. So L dot insert is the function. I want to insert a value. At which index I want to insert a value? Zeroth index. What value I want to add a value like London? London. London. See, no output. Let's print L again. Can you see this? See, London has been added as zeroth index. So insert means nothing but you have to pass the index number wherever you want to add the value and the number that the value. Getting my point?
Yes, yes. Okay.
What about others?
Not done. No, I did not understand.
Which one? Tell me. Which is
The
like what
insert,
is not clear?
insert the here the one insert and zero London. So what is the meaning of this?
Which one? Zero?
The before the London.
Okay, before London. See, zero is representing here index number, right? If I write here, let's see. Now this is my L. See that carefully. Okay, this is my L. Okay, sir. Fine. So L dot insert. Now tell me, London is my zeroth index value, isn't it? I want to add a value at zeroth index. So what will be my zeroth index? This is right now my zeroth index. But I want to add a zeroth index again, new value that is USA. What will have zero means zeroth index, right? If you print L again, it will print you the value. See, zeroth index, it becomes USA. Now zero is a zeroth index value. Okay, so can I do like this also? L dot insert. Can I use 3 also? Now tell me what will be the 3? Third index. This is my 0. This is my
One,
0. This
One.
is
one,
1. This is 2 and this is 3. That means
two,
2 is my third index value. So if I
third
want to
index.
add a value like Germany, hmm, mm, so it will work like this. Print L again. See what will happen. Getting a point like this. This is how you can add a value, right? Right, everybody? Who is asking this? Is this fine?
Yes, yes, fine.
What about others, guys?
Understand?
Yes, fine.
Okay.
Yes, sir, fine.
Okay. Okay, so this is something clear. But now let's understand the new concept. Yesterday we talked about tuple. We talked about list. Another data structure we are going to talk about that is dictionary. Dictionary is nothing but the indentation. We know that for this, right? DICT or square bracket. Sorry, this curly braces, but with the value of key value pair like this. Okay. Okay. So I can create a dictionary like this. As I mentioned, key value is nothing but with colon. Okay. I can write like this, like Uttam. Not Uttam. This like lighting. One colon London. Hmm? That's my favorite play. That I used to write London again and again. Okay. So two colon Germany. Right. Three colon USA. This is my dictionary. Okay, that means that you are trying to say one will be my key because before key it will, sorry, before colon it will be my key, after colon it will be my value. Yes. So if I print D again, what will happen? This is my D. Okay, okay, so understood. This is how we can create a dictionary, right? Yes, correct. Now, like the, so another question is that, is it possible in dictionary to access a value with like this? This is my L, right? If I write L of 0, it will give me what? It's my index number, right? It will give me what? Index value. Yeah, it's giving me, I'm passing an index number. It is giving me the value of that value, correct one. So if I write here D of 0, tell me, will it work? Why it's not working?
Because there is no zero values. The one is
Okay.
a London, two is a Germany, and three is a USA.
Yes, but zero is the index number. Now we know that in Python, next thing starts from zero, so it should work over here, right? We know that this thing, right? You said right. There is no d, there is no zero value. But we talked about, na, like above. Here is no zero value. Here is no zero value. Here is no zero value. But I write zero. Zero means index. Zeroth index value. It is printing me the value of zeroth index. That is USA. But why not
That
here?
will work for list only,
Yes,
not for this type
Not
of
for
correct.
data structure.
Correct. That means indexing is not allowed in dictionary. Correct. So rather than writing zero, if you want to see the value, just write one, because one is my key. Then it will give you the value of this key. What is the value? That is London. It should give me London. Then
Yes. We have to
it
put
is
the key number.
key value rather than, that means always remember indexing is not allowed in dictionary. We have to part the number like this. Now everybody do that. Do that everybody from your side. Yeah, everyone do this.
Can you please share this file?
Okay.
Sir, please elaborate how to open the Google Colab.
Okay, I'm coming to that part.
Yes, please, sir.
Click on this. You have to sign in also first. Yeah, see, sign in first. Or just go to the, do one thing. Just go to the file. Just okay, fine. Sign in.
Just go to the file.
Yeah, go to the file.
Okay.
File, new notebook. It will open. Is it opening to a new tab? Check that.
So
Is
again,
it
sign
open?
in.
So you have to sign in first already. Yes, that's what I said.
Okay, sir.
Then it
Understand?
will, understood.
Yes.
Okay, do that. Do that then, everybody. That concept which you talked about dictionary. Do that, and I'm sharing you that one.
So
Is
again,
it
sign
open?
in.
So you have to sign in first already. Yes, that's what I said.
Okay, sir.
Then it
Understand?
will, understood.
Yes.
Okay, do that. Do that then, everybody. That concept which you talked about dictionary. Do that, and I'm sharing you that elements on this. Like another element can be Uttam, and then Google, like this. Okay, this is my dictionary. Okay, sir, fine. As I mentioned, their dictionary is nothing but a combination for key value pair, right? So I can use d dot. If I write d dot, keys is a function, keys and close bracket. It will give you all the keys. One, two, three, and Uttam. This is my keys. D dot values, right? It will give me all the values within my dictionary. See all the values. Okay, sir, fine. What more function? D dot items. If I will run, it will give me key and value together. 1, London, 2, Germany, 3, USA, Uttam, Google. Key value together. Okay, sir, fine. What more we can do? We know that indexing is not allowed, but we have seen in dictionary in a list how to add a value, delete a value. Can I do the same thing in dictionary also? Can I do like this? If I'll write 2, it will give me the value of second 2 is my key, okay? Germany. But I want to add a new value within the dictionary. Guys, do not unmute in between, right? If you don't have any doubt, okay? Let me finish it up first, okay? Then we can come with a question. Again, as I mentioned, there are no values within this written over here. One, two, three. These are the values we have. Okay. As I mentioned, like in the list, we used to add the value. So can I add a value in D also? Which value I don't have? I don't have value 4. Yeah. 4 is no value. Value, I mean to say key and value together. If I'll write 4, 4 is no value. 1, 2, there is no value 4. Okay. This is my 4 is equal to, this is my key. New key is gonna be, again I cannot add a only key, I cannot add a only value. I have to add key value together because this is the combination for dictionary. My value will be, India, something like this. If I do like this, if I print a D again, what is gonna happen? See, 4 and India. So this is a new value I have added. Again, I cannot add a single value, I cannot add single key. Key value will be added. Okay, together. Okay, so understood. This is how we can add a value in dictionary. Yes. So how can I delete the value then? Okay. So just write like the del. Delete is a command and write D of 4. I'm writing D of 4. So D of 4 means fourth index. Yeah, I'm just writing one. Let's see one. First, key. First key value just read delete. So one means it will delete one and the value of one key. Okay. If I print a D, what will happen? Come on, see, one and London has been removed now. Getting my point, guys? How we can add a value? Yeah, everyone.
Yes.
Everybody. Now I'll explain one more data structure. Okay. Then we'll come with your doubts. Now we'll talk about another data structure, set. Okay. Set is another data structure we talked about. The syntax for set is nothing but just write set or this curly braces. Yes, sir. Fine. Now, how do I create a set? Just the curly brace, just write a value 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, or 4, 5, 6, like this. I have added a value like this, right? Okay. But now I'm going to add run D 3, sorry, S. Can you see this? I have multiple 3, but I'm getting only one single 3. This is a feature of set. It will give you the unique value always. Unique value always. Getting my point? It will give you unique value always. Okay. Now that means, sir, you are trying to say unique is the